Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hardin County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, eastern Johnson County, Illinois, southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, southern Saline County, Illinois, southwestern Gallatin County, Illinois, northwestern Crittenden County, Kentucky, north central Livingston County, Kentucky, southwestern Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 9:15 a.m. At 8:27 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vienna, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Vienna, Shawneetown, Rosiclare, Ridgeway, Golconda, Equality, Creel Springs, Dixon Springs, Carrier Mills, New Columbia, Lake of Egypt area, Cave and Rock, Elizabethtown, Stone Fort, New Burnside, Old Shawneetown, Junction, Eddyville, and Simpson. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 9 and 29. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Saline, and Williamson, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden, Livingston, and Union.